Yo, what up, Chad? What up, what up? Oh, yo, it's a big chop fest today. Jeez. Fucking just chopping around. Yo, what up, Sean? Dude, lunch was good. I had an awesome burger. I had butterscotch bread pudding and had a cappuccino. Went to like a, went to like a restaurant. Yo, don't trade at lunch. I'm telling you, like, your portfolio could take a punch. A lot of times what happens at lunch is you get chop for the most part. So, like today, you got a bunch of shit. Like, that's awesome that you didn't have to hold through this. Had some sushi. I like sushi. No fajitas for me. And the market took a punch. There you go. Yeah. It's just the conditions aren't that great. That's the problem. It's just bad market conditions. Oh, man. What up, Alcy? Like, even now, we've done nothing. Like, yeah, it's just so shitty. It's just a shitty environment to trade in right now. Dude, where it never swept though. It never swept. It would have had to get under 653 to sweep. I think you just took it. I think you just took it long, but there was no sweep. The last hour low was 19,653. See, this is the hourly low, 119. We never got below there. What up, George? Do you not have this wick? Do you not have this wick down? Look where that wick is. It's 19, it's 653. I never win in the lunch, but I keep trying. Oh, no. That isn't my last low. So I have that low on Tradeovate. And if you go on TradingView, I have it also. I don't know where you have that you don't have it. Are we just playing back and forth here? Okay. We're in the 2 o'clock hour, right? The last hour was the 1 o'clock hour, right? We all agree on that. So 1 o'clock is from this bar to this bar. The low is 6:53. We actually hit it. Well, that's 12 o'clock. Right here is the low in the last hour. Look, we'll just go to hourly candles, right? We'll just go to 1 hour candles. The 1 hour candle is down here. 6:53 is the low of the 1 o'clock candle, 1 to 2. And the hour before that is at 6:50. Yo, what up, Double O? What up, what up? Trying to make some money back. Trying to make some money back here. It seems like every time we come up in this area, we just drop. So if we can come up a little bit more, I'll look to short it until I get burned. Until it burns when I pee. But it just seems like every time you get up here, it dumps. Is this VWAP? Is this really VWAP? No. VWAP just recalculated itself. What up, Bob? Who's going to short? Who's just going to play this back and forth? This is risky as hell. I'm just playing the I'll probably get burned. Every time I try doing this, I'll get burned. Burn. Hey, bro. I'm not saying you. No. All right. So when you watch the NQ stats video, I could have sworn he said last low of the last hour. You are 100% correct, El. So what hour are you talking about? You're talking about the 1 o'clock, from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock? Or like what hour are you talking about? 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock or 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock? I just want to make sure you have the correct thing on your chart is honestly where I'm going with it. That's honestly where I'm going, to make sure you have the same. That was nice. Let's see if they just bring it. So the low. You are 100% correct, though. Yeah, that's what but the last low from 1 to 2. No. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to take everything off. No. So how it works is the low of the previous hour. So from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we would have to get below the previous hour, not the previous low. So you would have to get below 653 is what you'd have to get under. You'd have to get under this line is where you'd have to be. I actually use this other script now that has previous hour. So this is the previous hour line. So this line is the low of this hour. This line is the low of this hour. So we actually didn't sweep. The last time we swept a low was in the 11 o'clock hour. We swept this low. That's how it works. It's not just a low, it's the previous hour low. So I'll bring it up. I'll bring it up. See, it takes out the prior hour high or prior hour low. So it would be like the candles we're in now, it has to get below 652 or 750 because that's this hour's high and low. I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's where I'm. That's why I'm letting you know, Del. I'm just letting you know. So this girl is actually back testing on the 15-minute sweeps, which is I don't want to say it's aligning with what you're doing, but it's kind of interesting. But yeah, you have been making money on the wrong thing. And that's where I was going with it. I didn't mean to come off harsh. I just don't want you to lose money because you're basing your trade ideas off of something that was incorrect. That's all. Listen, if you're making money, stick with whatever you're doing over there. You know, I don't want you to change anything. I was just letting you know that if you base off of that, I just want to let you know. Yeah, a win is a win. Yeah, Del, that's all I was trying to get at. Was that's all I was trying to get at. Dude, this market is brutal. I don't even know what to make out of this. You can't even say that the orb line is anything. I mean, we just keep crossing over it, so that's pretty null and void at this point. Dude, just take the wins, man. Why did the market pull back after yesterday's bull run? I don't know. Trump might have said some stuff. Yeah. Well, I was just making sure you saw the same thing on your chart. I just want to make sure you saw like the wick down, that you're not on some like other charting thing and you don't have it. Market, don't go sideways, Chris. I need cash now. This is what I kind of like to the downside. You got a couple of these down signals now, and you got one on the 5, and we can't seem to break it, which leads me to believe we might go lower. I find it more predictable when it just goes up and down like this, especially if it's three. Dude, you ate Pringles today? Yo, you saving that canister? Felt mighty sus after the short. Were you digging deep in the can? Dude, I laugh. I laugh so hard when I make those, man. I got some other good ones. On average, how many hours per day must you set aside for futures trading? For honestly, Robert, if you just traded 9:30 to 10:30, you could be done for the day. 9:30 to 10:30, you could be done for the day. I make more. I feel like I have more profits in the morning. I'm just getting out. This thing's just chopping. I have a short can though. Oh, jeez. Yeah, the old hole in the can. Yeah. I mean, I'll be honest with you. The best trading to me is the first hour of the market. You typically get the biggest moves. This is flat as shit. I mean, we haven't moved since 10 o'clock in the morning. Since 10 a.m., we haven't moved. This is just, it's bonkers. I mean, Pringles is so wild though. Like, I'm not a huge Pringles fan. I like just a bag of chips. It's like grabbing a pencil out of the pen cup. What do you think happens with the markets after the rate decision? I don't think they're going to do any cuts. I would assume it might be a nothing burger, like where we go up, we go down, and then we just kind of end at the same. I do think they're going to eventually cut rates at some point. They'll cut rates. Dude, this looks like Asia, where you just kind of chop around. Yeah, FOMC's. I don't think we're gonna. I don't know. I do think they're gonna cut. I don't think they're gonna cut this time, and I think next time they're gonna cut. So I think it's gonna be like I think next time they cut. That's my opinion. But who really knows? But I do think they should cut. I just don't think you're going to get it for until another meeting. I mean, the markets are down. Like, now would be a good time to cut. Now would definitely be a good time to cut. Jeez, I'm going to have to make myself a coffee. Dude, this is why I don't eat big lunches. I eat these big ass lunches, and now I'm tired. Dude, you're long. You're long 721. Are you long and strong? If we get a pullback, I might long it. We just flipped the 5-minute fair value gap. That's interesting. Hank Steele style. What somebody asked me something to steal? I said Lexington Steel. Oh man. Oh yeah, I needed that. That was $160 there. I was like almost 100 there. Short-lived, more chop. I mean, it's a scalper's paradise right now. If you just want to scalp, because we ain't going anywhere. You're going nowhere. I got you for 3 more minutes. I still can't believe that I had I thought I had a payout here. I thought I reached payout. This is the first day you've been profitable in the office. Dude, are you working right now? Tell me you're working. Are you working and trading at the same time? Because it's awesome. I have a PP pivot point on NT at 733, bounced off 30-minute. Dude, what type of work you doing, Dell? I did get a burger for lunch. It had like, what was that? Gruyere cheese or something like that with like, dude, some type of dressing. It was amazing. It was amaze balls.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, just fucking pump it for me.
Order filled.
This is just an eval. Do not follow. Dell, you're an IT? Dell's faking coding right now while trading. Dude, I'm calling Bill Gates up, telling him you're trading at work. Like, yo, Gates. Hey, man, all power to you. Where do you buy your burgers? My normal burgers? I don't know. The butcher shop, I guess. Probably the butcher shop. You got a butcher shop by you? That's typically where I go. What is my full name? Dude, you could figure it out. You could definitely figure it out. After somebody who just told me about a couple weeks ago that he knows where I live, Somebody gave me my full. Somebody literally wrote my full name and said, "I know where you live." I was like, "You're a fucking creep," but all my information is out there. If you're on the stream, you've definitely have seen my information on the screen. Shoe size is 12. Shoe size is 12. It's a big shoe. But yeah, it's super easy to figure out my full name. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, Top Step fucking put out exactly where I live basically when I was on the stream. So, I mean, how tall am I? Yo, how funny would that be if I had a shoe size of like 12 and I was like, yo, I'm only 5'1"? Oh. Dude, I don't know why these shoes, the tongue on the shoe, the inside of the tongue rolls over for whatever reason. This might be the worst price action I've ever seen in a while. Yo, Del Stone is definitely a porn name. That's a porn name if I've ever seen a porn name before. Del Stone. Yo, get the drinks ready, baby. All day, baby. I think I want to do a Vegas get together only because there's shit to do in Vegas. And I think that'd be pretty cool. Where like we can all go meet at Vegas. You know, I'll stay there for like 3 nights. I'll probably get my boy to go down there. Well, my boy lives there and just fucking go buck for like 3 nights, 2 nights, 3 nights. Yeah, probably 2 nights, 3 days. The day I'll fly in early. You got that day, that night, and then you got a full day and night, and then leave after that. You can't be in Vegas too long. All the platforms froze today at the same time. I did not see that. Was it when I was at lunch? Don't trade at lunch. Oh. Dude, I got my brothers. My brothers need their own fucking Telegram group chat where they can just talk fucking crypto all day without buzzing me. Yo, I've been trying a new strat. Love it for the open. I take the 6 p.m. open all the way to 6 till 9:30 open. I mark the bottom of my EMA and the top of my EMA. Hold on one second. Hold up. All right. So I take this orb and we do 18 to actually it's 8:30 and it's going to be 17. Okay, so I chalked it up, right? So what do I do now? So here it is. This is the orb. Well, it's not an EMA. It's a 6 a.m. The bottom of your EMA. Holy fuck. Did we just broke the fuck out. Mark the top move of the EMA. Oh, I don't know if they make a script for that. I have the top and bottom. I have the top and bottom, but you'd have to show me in screenshots, Chad. Yeah, you'd have to show me in screenshots what you did. I'm like semi lost, semi kind of get it, but dude, are they just gonna explode this thing up? Yo, is there news? Anybody know if there was news? Just technical? Well, I know Trump was talking with Putin early today, and I was just wondering if something came about. Push it. Push it. So there's been a lot of fucking coiling up in this motherfucker. Oh, dude, I didn't even realize we're right at the pivot point on the. I'm just going to get out. I didn't realize we were right there. Yeah, I got to do it right at the pivot point. Yeah, I'm like I'm kind of figuring out what you're talking about. See, so now we swept the previous hour. What's weird is it didn't give me an alert. It was supposed to alert me when it crosses. Add alert. Yo, it never gave me an alert. Holy shit. What do you think? Pull back to 34? Pull back to the green line? $732 would be back to 732 brings you back to the open. Whoa! Here you go, John. Yo, what up, David? John King requests his first Bullnox payout. Yo, what up, Messi? 747 long. Oh, come on. What size of account? I'm guessing 50K, right? John? 50s is what I think, 50K or 25. Yeah, 50K. Damn, took you 2 months? That's awesome, though. Oh, look at this shit. Stop me out and dropping. Dropping like it's hot. So, dude, it fucking top ticked me and then came all the way back. Come on, give me a quick bounce right here. Bounce it for dollars, baby. Come on. Bounce it. Bounce it. Hold the 34, baby. Pump it. Oh, come on. Hold! 65 quick ones. I was getting nervous that the 9 keeps moving lower, obviously. I would have gotten my fucking fill. Dude, the way you full port? Why? How many cons are you going in, man? Are you in like 15 cons? Dude, this has been, I don't remember the last time we've had a day like this. I mean, the Renkos turned red, by the way. If you're following the Renkos, they turn red. Oh, baby, that looks oh. Degen sling, 15 minis, micros, and then add 10 on the pullback. In December because we're rolling contracts. That's why it's like this. Why does that cause it though? I mean, this looks really crappy, to be honest with you. The pivot point rejection. We traded back into a fair value gap, and now we're basically going to trade back down. I'm just looking for a scalp. Oh, this is not my fucking day. Whoa, where do you see that? Where do you see that? I'm looking. I'm looking. I don't see that on Financial Juice. Trump Putin. Dude, they talked for nearly 2.5 hours. Dude, that's crazy. Wow. Yeah, so basically they basically agreed on a ceasefire on energy, infrastructure, Black Sea, in the Black Sea. I'm just I'm trying to find it. A maritime ceasefire in the Black Sea. They've dude, we might pump. I have a feeling that's going to end soon. Wow. That's super interesting. What up, Bartolo? If nobody knows what they talk about the market, yeah. I mean, I imagine it's real hush-hush what they're talking about. What up, Luca? Did JD tell Putin that he never thanked you? Or did... I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. I'm guessing Zelensky wasn't on the call, though. Dude. Where do you guys think we end? New lows coming? Where are we going? Where are we going? There we go. Could be a no break. Yo, Luca, how you trading today? Nice. Oh. Two p.m. swept, 1 p.m. back. What up, Curtis Butler? What up? What up? Yo, you on the chat, Curtis? All right, 2 p.m. swept 1 p.m. Yes, and now it's back. Yeah. I only play the first 20 minutes of the sweep, to be honest with you. It's got to sweep in the first 20 minutes. New lows? Oh, Keith, I think we're gonna rock it here. Yo, Sam, I was thinking the same thing. Dude, this thing's just death by 1,000 cuts right now. Yo, the Renkos have been red the whole fucking time. I don't think you're getting either one. I think you're going to see it come all the way back down. Watch it tag 600. Yo, Mad Moxie, what up? What's up, Larry? I think they want you to do $50, cats. I think it's like 50. Dude, I'm just getting the fuck out, I think. I'm taking a breather here. This thing's just fucking garbage. Higher time frames are showing us going down. To me, this looks bad. This looks like one big bear flag on the hourly. I mean, look at it. That looks like a bear flag. Their stop would be 742. Oh, just another day. Another day. See all these? You're falling out. I think it doesn't look great. This is some serious fucking chop today, though. I would love to see us sweep the lows and come back, but sweep the leg, Johnny. Yo, this action is not my favorite. Hope everyone had a good day. Yeah, Joseph. It feels like at some point they're just going to let it go, is what it feels like. One way or another, they're just going to let it fucking loose. They're going to let it loosey-goosey. Yo, I'm playing that shit, Chad. Oh, fuck. I'm definitely playing MOC. Yo, what up, Cabo? Like Frozen, baby. Let it go. Let it go. I feel like this is make or break it right here. Dude, I need a water. Anybody want a water while I get up? Anybody want a water? I'm back. I made myself a frappe. Yo. How to go frappe style. Ceasefire news now starting to hit the mainstream. Ugh, I am fucking Is this gonna rocket the fucking thing? I hate this. What up, Corey? What's the deal with this news? Is it gonna just rip the market? Like, is that what we're doing here?
Order filled. Order filled.
What up, Ivan? Like, is this news now hitting everywhere and the markets are just gonna rip? I guess there's some type of ceasefire happening. I hate this shit. This is like the worst. Yeah, and then flip, cats. Yep. Oh, jeez. Dude, I'm so fucking done. Dude, I was in short, Brad, and they're talking about Putin ceasefire now. I don't even know what's going on. Putin ceasefire. All this other shit that's going on. I was originally short. Sell the rumor? Yeah, I was originally short. I think you got to make $50 a day, but they'll let you know. When you go to request a payout, it'll be in there, cats. I mean, technically, chart-wise, I love the short, but this fucking news that's out there, I'm trying to find it. To the downside? Oh, no, to the upside. Yeah. Dude, gold looks like it's going to keep ripping. This shit is just chop, sit, hay. Chop, 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 chop. That's all it is. Yeah, Jesse. Let's see. Let's see if we hold the 200. I have a tight stop right here. Tight. So I swear I should just...
Order filled.
Whoa. I forgot. Oh, I blew my top step. I forgot I was even in. I blew an eval. I forgot I was even fucking in. I'm just making sure that I'm actually logged out. Stupid. I was in short. I'd be up right now on the short. I got out. Dude, I'm just holding this. Oh, come on. Trump, tweet fuck China right now. I need a fuck China and we drop 50 points. Fuck China. Say fuck China, Trump. Come on, Trump. Say something. Say we're raising tariffs on Canada right now. Come on, raise them tariffs right now. I was up $230 and didn't fucking take it. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I was up $230 and didn't fucking take it. I've traded like dog shit ever since the morning was over. From the end of the morning stream, towards the end of the morning stream till now has just been like I was up. I would have taken $230 all day. Yeah. Elon. I want to see $40 silver. That would bring in a lot of new buyers. Shoot. What's silver at? $27? Load the boat on silver? I've never really played silver before. So I have silver, was it $31? 34? Silver was, yeah, I'm looking at SLV. SLV was just 26.50. It's at 31 now. That's crazy. I can't. Dude, every single time I fucking do something. Oh, this thing's gonna go down. I fucking know this thing's gonna go down. Dude, this was a blown account yesterday. $9.
Order rejected.
That makes no sense. Huh. Yeah, hacks. I'm looking for all the way down to this blue line. This news bullshit is fucking my brain up. I think it's fucking the markets up too. I'm gonna get fucking stopped. This market is such ass right now. I'm just gonna sit here. Just gonna fucking sit. I don't trust that, Kevin. Yeah, now that like this fucking Trump shit is out. Honestly, this feels like I'm trading Asia. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. It's just bullshit. Just complete fucking bullshit, man. Oh. It's here. Is this the short? I'm watching. Yeah, Mad Boxy. That's what it looks like to me. That's exactly what it looks like to me. It looks like it's going to come all the way back down to 600 today. That's honestly what it feels like. Unbelievable. What time is the news tomorrow? What news tomorrow are you talking about? What news? I don't what tomorrow's tomorrow's Wednesday for the FOMC. I'm definitely going to play accounts tomorrow on FOMC. Without a shadow of a doubt, I'm going to play FOMC with evals. All day. All day. I'm going to smash evals tomorrow, 2 p.m. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to bracket order. I'm going to bracket order a bunch of evals. I just took $500 because it's bounced here too many times. I took $500. Did I take $500? It said 500. That's because, oh, yeah. 200, 300. Oh, 4 or 5. Yeah, about $500. I'll keep 1. I was in 3. I'll hold 1. Yeah, this has been Shop Fest. Huh. It almost feels like they don't want to let it go. I don't know why. 1 p.m. Central, yeah. I got to figure out what I want to do. I think I'll definitely play an Apex account, and I'll definitely play yeah, this is sim. Yeah, people, you know what it is? You just care less about it. That's all that happens is you're not worried. Look at all, like, I was in short. I got stopped out at almost the top, and then it would have been fucking money. Oh. I'm sure slippage is not great during FOMC. Dude, I was calling fucking short this whole time, and now we got it. It's not even that big of a drop. It wasn't even that big of a drop. Anyone else just freeze? No. Might be your internet. Check the internet. Yo, I didn't even realize it's 341. Dude, it's 342. You'll bounce back, Sean. Hopefully a clean move to the downside. Downside? Bro, this thing looks so good for shorts, and then they just bring it right back up. Literally so good for shorts, and then they just bring it back up. This is the worst price action I've seen in fucking a long time. Like a long time. Yeah, that's a good comeback. That's a real good comeback. Well, you got 5 minutes till market on close candle. 5 minutes. Yes. Teach. Yeah, Dr. T. Yeah. Yep. It's exactly how it works. Oh, baby. Yeah, it definitely wasn't a potato chip. Definitely wasn't. 20 ticks profit, 40 ticks stop loss. Yeah. We got 3 minutes. I got you for 3 more minutes. Smash the like button, baby, and let's go. In 3 minutes, you have market on close. So let's see what happens. Emil, we did it, Cove. We did it. No, baby. Here we go. I'm definitely playing it. CT, you playing it? My alarm just went off. Dude, you're going for 10 points? I got to back test how many points. I'm just seeing if it comes up a little bit. Oh, baby. Moo ha 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 ha. Moo ha ha ha. Yo, yo, I just stacked 545 in that one, 657 in this account, and 330 in this account. Yo, I don't even know why I trade the rest of the day. Why do I trade the rest of the day? Somebody explain to me what I'm doing all day. Dude, I mean, like if I played that in all my accounts, I would be up $500-$600 in all my accounts. Like I don't need to trade the rest of the day. That's so fucking wild. Yo, that and the opening range trade, I don't need to do anything else. I should come on at 9:28, place my trade, leave at 9:30, and just set my alarm to come back. $10-minute streams, 4 minutes. Yeah. Yep. I think it's hit what, four or five times in a row. Listen, are you going to lose at some point? Yeah. But, you know, wow. Are they going to pump it all the way up? Holy shit. What the fuck was that? I literally just moved my stop up. What the fuck was that? Yo, I'm telling you, I don't even know why you trade anything else. My mind is boggled. Oh, that was that 355 candle. Gross. Gross. I don't trust the 355 one as much as I like the 350. just completely fucked this account. Obviously, I got a huge drawdown, but yeah, I mean, I would rather play like just talking about it. I'd rather play the 350 with more contracts and more accounts than split it up between the two. This looks like it's going to come back down. This looks like it's going to just dump it. You got longs, Chad? $10 a.m. I've heard of the 10 a.m. reversal. Sean, I bet a bunch of people blew accounts today. It just chopped. Me, I have a stop loss. I have a stop loss in. Come on, flush it. Big down candles. Let's go. They really bought that whole thing up. I am so fucking done today. It's 4 o'clock. I'm done. I'm done. I think every trade I made in this account today was my win rate in this account has to be the worst fucking win rate ever. What was it? There's no way I won half my trades today. Dude, what the fuck is that? It's 37 points to the upside. At least I didn't blow any accounts today. So I didn't blow any. I completely damaged one of my accounts. I completely damaged this account. I'm going to pull my $96 out today, my daily payouts. So fucking annoyed at that one account. I'm not going full port. I am not going full port. Duck race will make me feel better. Dude, I'm so freaking annoyed. There's a consistency rule, Piano. I have to be over the consistency rule. So I need to get it to 64,500. Dude, that was a fucked up day. Look how fucked up this is. Like, we didn't go anywhere today. I should have just freaking played 10 cons on that one candle. That's what I should have done. Should have done the 350 10 cons. Yo, I should open up the duck race for entries like today and then run it tomorrow and just say, hey, man, you had to be in the fucking chat. Sometimes, can we help you in any way, such a situation? So, me, Horizon? Just to mention. Yeah, Bill C. CT brought it up to the chat. I did it today. I hit it big. I hit it 657, 545, and then I hit it in here for 330. Yeah. I'm going to play it every single day. Every day. Dude, that's freaking wild, though. I would expect tomorrow's market to be better than this. Damn, Bill, that's a nice trade. Yeah, I mean, you don't even have to trade the rest of the day. You just show up at 348, 349. Yeah. Dude, I should have opened it up today at like 3:30 for tomorrow. And then when people all just come in asking how to enter, I should be like, yo, you missed out. It was yesterday. Can't just roll in asking for it. So FOMC meetings tomorrow at 2. I will be streaming before that. I am going to get a couple of accounts to play FOMC on. That's for shit sure. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm definitely going to yeah, it's rate announcement. Yep. Does the price pump or dump big at 2 o'clock? I don't know. It depends on whatever they talk about at the rate decision. I don't know what they're going to talk about. I just play the movement. I don't care if it goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I just don't want it to go up and then down or down and then up. Like I want it to go one way. Oh man, dude, today is freaking wild. At least I bought back my funded futures funded account back from the grave. Yeah. Yep. I wish. I wish I did that with my one fucking Apex account. Dude, every day there's one account that just sucks. I don't get it. Just one account that just sucks. Today it was that account. I might have to play that account on FOMC meeting because the consistency rule, like I need 7,000 fucking dollars in that account. There's no way I'm going to get it just trading. It would take me a while. So I think I might hit it with FOMC to try to get $2,000 or $3,000 in it. That might be the move. How did I lose on that account? Just both, just yo-yoed around. You can see right here, I shorted, got stopped out. Shorted, got stopped out. Shorted again, got stopped out. It better be big tomorrow. But yeah, it's look, I got stopped out a bunch of times and then it went down. Look, shorted, got stopped out. So I got stopped out 265, 600. I got stopped out over $1,000 and it ended up I was right. All I had to do was just keep
The
holding.
market is open.
I just got to market is open. I'm going to bracket trade it for probably 3 cons. 3 cons, 10 points, try to get $600. It'll probably give me a little bit more. And if I lose the account, I lose the account. It is what it is. Yeah, well, yeah. I'm going to get payouts here. I got one more day of $200 for this account, and I'll get a nice payout. I'll get like $1,500. But yeah, hey, man, I just got to build it back up. That's all. If I can hit it for $2,000 tomorrow on FOMC, I'll be right back into the game. What's up, Akash? Oh, yeah. I mean, listen, I just got to keep building it up. You know what I mean? Just keep building it and building it and building it. Listen, I did not want to lose $6,000 in the account today. That's fucking crazy. I just everything I did just sucked, but I was right. Like shorting. I just kept getting stopped out. While at the end of the day, it was a 40, 50 point short that I had. Look, I was up here. I shorted up here, got stopped out. Like, I just kept getting fucking stopped out is the problem. And I was right. Like, I just kept shorting this whole way, getting stopped out. It's just stupid. Stupid. So it is what it is. If I can get $2,000 or $3,000 back tomorrow, how often do I get burned? I win more than I lose. Today was rough. I have one account that took a beating. The rest of them are pretty good. Actually, my other take profit trader is down a little bit, but I'm not worried. Just sucks. It sucks because I was like within $500 and I just completely imploded that fucking account today. But like I said, if I can do $3,000 today on FOMC and then the 350 candle, I can make back half of that and we'll see what happens. No, I just got caught. I was just getting stopped out. Just shorts. Short, stopped out, and then it went down. Short, stopped out, went down. Short, stopped out. Short, stopped out. I just kept getting stopped out, and I'm right. So just a lot of bullshit. But anybody got questions? Comments about anything? Prop firm questions, indicator questions. That has all the prop firm stuff. If you have prop firm questions, that sheet probably answers most of it for you. We'll do an account giveaway tomorrow. Not today. Oh. Yo, all good, Bill. There's some other trades that are just like that. Like there's the opening range trade. There's the orb trade. I got a bunch of videos on different trades like that. Thanks, Bartolo. I'm trying to find a poker spot that we can like give them the money and them handle it because it's a pain collecting from everybody. What up, Lord? But I'm ready to start the day tomorrow again. It sucks. Yeah, FOMC could definitely be not the best one to do. FOMC could definitely not be the best bracket trade. I'll look into it. I got to find a poker platform also. But I got to find a better platform. Somebody said poker is illegal, though, in the U.S. Yeah, I'm gonna bracket trade it, Bill. So we'll see what happens. I'm not just gonna buy. I'm not buying one way or the other. I'm bracket trading it. I'm definitely gonna bracket trade it. Tight fucking stops, bracket trade it, and see what happens. I'd love to make like $4,000, but we'll see what happens. All right, I'm jumping off. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. I'll be back tomorrow, 10:30 in the morning. And yeah, I'm going to trade FOMC. So I'm going to get accounts probably tonight. So, because if you try to get accounts tomorrow, they could take time to get in your account. And then they might not give you one until after FOMC. I'm just letting you know. So if you want to have your accounts, I would do it tonight at some point. I learned my lesson to just do it the night before. I've had a couple of them take like 4 or 5 hours, or they give it to you right after, like FOMC, so you can't do what I want to do with them. But all right, peace.